Commission test. चौथा वीडियो ऑफ साइंस. नेचुरल गैस और नेचुरल गैस. Resources in Pakistan. MCQS. Natural gasan. Its resources in Pakistan. Natural gas is a. Solid fuel. B. Liquid fuel. C. Gaseous fuel. D. Nuclear fuel. Answer C. Gaseous fuel. Natural gas is mainly composed of A. Carbon dioxide. B. Methane. C. Oxygen. D. Nitrogen. Answer B. Methane. Natural gas is also known as A. Black gold. B. White coal. C. Clean fuel. D. Liquid fuel. Answer C. Clean fuel. Which of the following is a non-renewable source of energy? A. Solar energy. B. Wind energy. C. Natural gas. D. Water energy. Answer C. Natural gas. Natural gas is used for A. Cooking. B. Generating electricity. C. Industry. D. All of these. Answer D. All of these. The largest natural gas field of Pakistan is A. Mari. B. Sui. C. Kadirpur. D. Kanjkot. Answer B. Sui. Sui gas field is located in A. Sindh. B. Punjab. C. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. D. Balochistan. Answer D. Balochistan. Which province has major natural gas reserves after Balochistan? A. Punjab. B. Sindh. C. Gilgit-Baltistan. D. Islamabad. Answer B. Sindh. Kadirpur gas field is located in A. Balochistan. B. Punjab. C. Sindh. D. KPK. Answer C. Sindh. Mari gas field is mainly used for A. Export. B. Power generation. C. Fertilizer industry. D. Transport. Answer C. Fertilizer industry. Which gas is supplied to homes for cooking in Pakistan? A. LPG. B. CNG. C. Natural gas. D. Biogas. Answer C. Natural gas. CNG stands for A. Central natural gas. B. Compressed natural gas. C. Common natural gas. D. Converted natural gas. Answer B. Compressed natural gas. Natural gas is transported through A. Roads. B. Ships. C. Pipelines. D. Railways. Answer C. Pipelines. One major advantage of natural gas is that it A. Causes more pollution. B. Is difficult to use. C. Burns cleanly. D. Is very expensive. Answer C. Burns cleanly. Which organization supplies gas in Pakistan? A. WAPDA. B. SNGPL or SSGC. C. OGRA. D. PSO. Answer B. SNGPL or SSGC. Definition of natural gas. Composition: methane. Major gas fields: Sui, Mari, Kadirpur. Uses: domestic, industrial, power. Transport: pipelines. CNG full form. Energy consuming sectors. In Pakistan, MCQS. 1. Which sector consumes the largest share of energy in Pakistan? A. Agriculture. B. Domestic. C. Industrial. D. Commercial. Answer C. Industrial. Though the domestic sector mainly consumes energy for A. Heavy machinery. B. Transportation. C. Cooking and heating. D. Power generation. Answer C. Cooking and heating. 3. Which sector uses energy mainly for tube wells and farming machinery? A. Industrial. B. Agricultural. C. Transport. D. commercial. Answer B. Agricultural. 4. The transport sector mostly depends on which type of energy? A. Coal. B. Electricity. C. Petroleum. D. Nuclear. Answer C. Petroleum. 5. Which sector includes shops, offices, and markets? A. Domestic. B. Industrial. C. Commercial. D. Agricultural. Answer C. Commercial. 6. Energy consumption in Pakistan is increasing, mainly due to A. Decrease in population. B. Industrial growth and population increase. C. Use of renewable energy. D. Reduced transport. Answer B. Industrial growth and population increase. 7. Which sector consumes energy for lighting, fans, and home appliances? A. Commercial. B. Domestic. C. Transport. D. Industrial. Answer B. Domestic. 8. Which fuel is commonly used in Pakistan's industrial sector? A. Firewood. B. Solar. C. Natural gas. D. Wind. Answer C. Natural gas. No. The transport sector contributes most to energy consumption in the form of A. Electricity. B. Gas. C. Petrol and diesel. D. Coal. Answer C. Petrol and diesel. Thus, which sector consumes the least energy in Pakistan? A. Industrial. B. Transport. C. Domestic. D. Commercial. Answer D. Commercial. 11. CNG is mostly used in which energy consuming sector? A. Agriculture. B. Transport. C. Industrial. D. Domestic. Answer B. Transport. 12. Pakistan faces an energy crisis mainly because of A. Excess energy production. B. Energy wastage and rising demand. C. Low population. D. Export of energy. Answer B. Energy wastage and rising demand. 13. Which sector uses electricity for machines and production processes? A. Domestic. B. Industrial. C. Agricultural. D. Commercial. Answer B. Industrial. 14. Biogas is mostly related to which sector? A. Transport. B. Agriculture. C. Commercial. D. Industrial. Answer B. Agriculture. 15. Efficient use of energy can help Pakistan by A. Increasing energy crisis. B. Reducing energy demand. C. Increasing pollution. D. Decreasing industry. Answer B. Reducing energy demand. Water resources of Pakistan. MCQS. 1. The main source of water in Pakistan is A. Rainfall. B. Rivers. C. Glaciers. D. Underground water. Answer B. Rivers. 2. Which river is the longest river of Pakistan? A. Jhelum. B. Ravi. C. Chenab. D. Indus. Answer D. Indus. 3. The Indus River originates from A. Hindu Kush. B. Karakoram Range. C. Himalayas. D. Tibetan Plateau. Answer D. Tibetan Plateau. 4. Which rivers are known as the eastern rivers of Pakistan? A. Indus, Jhelum, Chenab. B. Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi. C. Ravi, Satluj, Beas. D. Indus, Kabul, Swat. Answer C. Ravi, Satluj, Beas. 5. Mangla Dam is built on river A. Indus. B. Chenab. C. Jhelum. D. Ravi. Answer C. Jhelum. 6. Tabala Dam is constructed on river A. Ravi. B. Indus. C. Chenab. D. Satluj. Answer B. Indus. Sat. Which is the largest dam of Pakistan? A. Mangla Dam. B. Varsak Dam. C. Tabala Dam. D. Hub Dam. Answer C. Tabala Dam. Art. Underground water is mainly obtained by A. Dams. B. Tube wells. C. Canals. D. Rainfall. Answer B. Tube wells. No. Which province has the largest canal irrigation system? A. Balochistan. B. Sindh. C. Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. D. Punjab. Answer D. Punjab. Thus, which dam supplies water to Karachi? A. Tabala. B. Mangla. C. Hub. D. Varsak. Answer C. Hub. 11. Pakistan mainly depends on which type of irrigation system? A. Sprinkler irrigation. B. Drip irrigation. C. Canal irrigation. D. Rain-fed irrigation. Answer C. Canal irrigation. 12. Which water resource is decreasing due to overuse in Pakistan? A. Rivers. B. Seas. C. Underground water. D. Rainfall. Answer C. Underground water. 13. Snow and glaciers are found mainly in which regions of Pakistan? A. Southern areas. B. Coastal areas. C. Northern areas. D. Desert areas. Answer C. Northern areas. 14. Which problem affects water quality in Pakistan? A. Over rainfall. B. Water pollution. C. Earthquakes. D. Snowfall. Answer B. Water pollution. 15. Water stored in dams is mainly used for A. Drinking only. B. Industry only. C. Irrigation and electricity. D. Fishing only. Answer C. Irrigation and electricity. Tidal force and astronomical sciences. MCQS. 1. Tidal force on Earth is mainly caused by the gravitational pull of the A. Sun only. B. Moon only. C. Earth. D. Stars. Answer B. Moon only. Though, which celestial body has the greatest effect on tides? A. Sun. B. Moon. C. Mars. D. Venus. Answer B. Moon. 13. High tide occurs when A. Sea level falls. B. Sea water rises. C. Wind blows fast. D. Temperature increases. Answer B. Sea water rises. 4. Low tide occurs when A. Sea water rises. B. Sea water falls. C. Moon disappears. D. Sun sets. Answer B. Sea water falls. 5. Spring tides occur when the sun, moon, and earth are A. At right angles. B. Far apart. C. In a straight line. D. Randomly placed. Answer C. In a straight line. 6. Neap tides occur when the sun and moon are A. In a straight line. B. Very close. C. At right angles. D. Invisible. Answer C. At right angles. 7. Which phase of the moon causes spring tides? A. Half moon. B. New moon and full moon. C. Crescent moon. D. Gibbous moon. Answer B. New moon and full moon. 8. Tidal energy can be used to generate A. Nuclear energy. B. Thermal energy. C. Electrical energy. D. Chemical energy. Answer C. Electrical energy. No. The study of heavenly bodies is called A. Geology. B. Biology. C. Astronomy. D. Meteorology. Answer C. Astronomy. Thus, a person who studies stars and planets is called A. Astronaut. B. Astrologer. C. Astronomer. D. Scientist. Answer C. Astronomer. 11. The Sun is A. Planet. B. Satellite. C. Star. D. Asteroid. Answer C. Star. 12. The Moon completes one revolution around Earth in about A. 24 hours. B. 7 days. C. 14 days. D. 27 days. Answer D. 27 days. 13. Which instrument is used to observe distant stars? A. Microscope. B. Telescope. C. Barometer. D. Thermometer. Answer B. Telescope. 14. The force that keeps planets in their orbits is called A. Magnetic force. B. Frictional force. C. Gravitational force. D. Electric force. Answer C. Gravitational force. 15. Which celestial body reflects sunlight? A. Sun. B. Star. C. Moon. D. Comet. Answer C. Moon. Photoelectric effect and quantum theory. MCQS. 1. The emission of electrons from a metal surface when light falls on it is called A. Thermionic emission. B. Photoelectric effect. C. Field emission. D. Electric discharge. Answer B. Photoelectric effect. Though the photoelectric effect was explained by A. Newton. B. Maxwell. C. Einstein. D. Planck. Answer C. Einstein. 13. The minimum frequency required to eject electrons from a metal surface is called A. Critical frequency. B. Wave frequency. C. Amplitude. D. Intensity. Answer A. Critical frequency. 4. Photoelectric emission depends mainly on A. Intensity of light. B. Frequency of light. C. Angle of light. D. Color of metal. Answer B. Frequency of light. Punch. Which type of light is most effective in photoelectric emission? A. Infrared. B. Visible. C. Ultraviolet. D. Microwave. Answer C. Ultraviolet. Che. Increasing the intensity of light increases A. Energy of electrons. B. Frequency of light. C. Number of emitted electrons. D. Critical frequency. Answer C. Number of emitted electrons. 7. Quantum theory was proposed by A. Einstein. B. Bohr. C. Rutherford. D. Planck. Answer D. Planck. 8. According to quantum theory, energy is emitted or absorbed in the form of A. Waves. B. Particles. C. Quanta. D. Atoms. Answer C. Quanta. No. The energy of a photon depends on its A. Speed. B. Intensity. C. Frequency. D. Wavelength only. Answer C. Frequency. Thus, the formula for energy of a photon is A बराबर mc स्क्वायर. B बराबर h न्यू. C बराबर mv स्क्वायर. D बराबर hf स्क्वायर. Answer B बराबर h न्यू. 11. Planck's constant is represented by AC, BG, CH, DK. Answer CH. 12. Photoelectric effect supports A. Wave nature of light. B. Particle nature of light. C. Sound theory. D. Reflection theory. Answer B. Particle nature of light. 13. The unit of Planck S. constant is A. Joule. B. joule second. C. Watt. D. Hertz. Answer B. Joule second. 14. The kinetic energy of photoelectrons depends on A. Intensity of light. B. Frequency of light. C. Metal surface only. D. Area of surface. Answer B. Frequency of light. 15. Which metal has a low work function and is easily used in photoelectric cells? A. Iron. B. Copper. C. Sodium. D. Lead. Answer C. Sodium.